Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Nissan Sentra. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Park your vehicle on a level, firm surface and fully engage the parking brake. Place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Wearing appropriate safety gear, like gloves and eye protection, is also crucial for your well-being during this process. Taking these initial steps ensures a secure and stable environment for your work. Now, let's locate the correct jack points on your Sentra. For the front, look for a reinforced area just behind the front wheels. At the rear, you will find a similar reinforced point in front of the rear wheels. The pinch welds along the side skirts can also be used for temporary lifting. Always refer to your Nissan Sentra's owner's manual for precise diagrams and specific instructions to ensure you are using the correct points. With your jack points identified, it's time to lift the vehicle. Position your jack squarely under the chosen jack point, ensuring it makes full contact. Slowly begin to raise the vehicle, watching carefully until the tire you are working on clears the ground by a few inches. Immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame rails, adjacent to the jack, to provide secure support. Remember, never work under a vehicle supported solely by a jack. After completing your work, it is time to safely lower your Sentra. First, carefully lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, ensuring it is stable. When you are ready to remove the stands, slightly raise the vehicle again with the jack. Remove the jack stands, then slowly and steadily lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Finally, remove the jack and wheel chocks and double-check the torque on your lug nuts for safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.